Have you been posting videos and sharing affiliate links, doing everything you were told, but still haven't made a single sale? Yeah, I've been there too. I followed all the YouTube gurus, posted consistently, created content around what I love. I did everything right. But after 6 months, I just had 2 clicks and zero commission and zero result. It wasn't because I didn't work hard, it's because I skipped the most important step, choosing a niche that actually has buyers. That one mistake cost me time, energy, and nearly my motivation. But it also taught me how to start the right way. That's where this video is about. Because if you're just starting or starting over, I want to save you those 6 painful months. Let's start where real success begins, with picking a niche people are already spending money in. Alright, let's make sure your niche has buyers, not just browsers. Start with what I called money zone, the 3 evergreen markets: health, wealth, relationship. These aren't trends, these are emotional markets that never go out of style. And don't worry, if you're not an expert, I'll show you how to test your fit in step 4. Now, maybe you're thinking, cool, I picked a niche, I'm excited, but excitement can be expensive if no one is buying. So let's pressure test that passion with some profit. My biggest mistake I made, I picked something I love, but nobody spent money there. So let's fix that. Grab a piece of paper, write down 3 to 5 things that you actually care about. Now Google your topic plus affiliate program. No recurring offers, weak payout. That's your cue to move on. Because passion without profit is just a hobby. This step alone can literally save you months of your time. Alright, your niche has potential, but before you rush to pick a product, ask yourself, who is this actually for? Because the most profitable content starts with people, not product. This is where most people go wrong. They find a product, then scramble to build an audience around it. That's backward. That's like opening a restaurant, then figure out who's hungry. Instead, define your audience. Who do you want to help? What are they Googling at 2 a.m.? Quick workouts with babies, postpartum belly fix, cheap home gym idea. Now, let's find a product that solves that specific pain point. You're almost there. Audience, niche, and real problem to solve. But before you build that brand, let's run a small test. Because tiny experiment today can save you months of regret tomorrow. Got a niche idea? Here's where you beat 90% of people. Test before you build. Don't build a brand. Don't buy a domain. Just create 5 to 10 short videos. Pick a pain point, share a tip, recommend a product. That's it. If people engage, you found attraction. If not, shift your angle and test it again. This 7-day test can save you 3 months of wasted content. You got the pieces, you've seen the path, but this isn't just a business move. It's a decision where you grow and how. So take a second, let's zoom out. Picking a niche seems small, but it's not. It's the seed for your future. You can hustle every day, post 100 times, but if your seed is in the wrong soil, it won't grow. But when you are planting in the right place, where people are already searching and spending, that's when things started to grow effortlessly. You don't have to chase success, you just have to plant where success lives. If you're still with me right now, that tells me something. You are not just dabbing, you are in this for real. That means you're ready for what comes next. If you're made this far, you've already done what most people skip. You are building with intention, not guessing. In part 2, we take that niche and build your content platform. No tech stress, no burnout, just results. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's build this together. And drop your niche idea in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll even pick a few to review in the future videos.